What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about the Sandbox, which has pumped up 21% in the last 24 hours, and as you guys can see, it's currently trading at 87 cents. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop down in value? And what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it to sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it just to hold on to it before it goes even higher than what it is at the moment? So we're going to cover both buys and a seller's point of view, and looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Sandbox go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and we do have Sandbox as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour, yes, it has taken a slight dip, as you can see, just over 2%. Over the last day, it's up 21%. Over the week, 24%. And over the month, nearly 100% up, guys. Consistently going up in value over the last 4 weeks, with minimal dips here and there in between. But overall, it has been moving towards the positive direction, which is great. And that's what we want to see. And hopefully, we can maintain that for the rest of the year as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 520% in the last 24 hours, making it $976 million in trading, guys, nearly hitting that $1 billion mark in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, especially around this time here, which was yesterday evening, where it gained an insane amount of value in a short amount of time. We would have seen a lot of people investing into it and a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits as well. So in fact, a lot of people trading the crypto overall over the last 12 to 14 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Sandbox, which at the moment is here in purple at 77 cents. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in green at 87 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So what do we have here? We've got the blue and the orange line both looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and again they are looking quite steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. Again, because it's starting to slowly drop in value right now, the graph thinks, yeah, it's going to keep dropping all the way down, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting is for it to drop down to about 85 cents in target over the coming hours before it starts to pump up again to around the 90 to 93 cents target over the next, let's say, 6, 7, 8 hours. But overall, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, I am expecting Sandbox to be trading around the 85 cents target. Again, it is going to be quite volatile. We are going to see a drop below 85 cents, pump up above 90 cents over the coming 12 to 14 hours. But by the end of the day today, it should be staying around the 85 cents target. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week. However, guys, that doesn't mean that it's going to be going for a major drop or a consistent drop in value over the next 7, 8 days. Of course not. There are going to be days where it's going to pump up in value and drop in value as well. It's going to be both up and down. However, over the next 48 to 72 hours, I'm expecting it to hit red days, where it's going to drop down to about 75 to 80 cents in target, and then slowly and steadily start to gain value towards the end of this week and early next week, potentially heading to around 85 to 90 cents target by mid next week is what I'm expecting. So yes, the increase is likely to be very minimal. because we have to consider the dips in between as well. So guys, even though the green days are going to overtake the red days, it's not going to be a major difference. It's going to be a minimal increase from where it is at the moment. And again, those of you who are looking to invest into Sandbox for the short term, right now personally I would say is a risky time, only because it's pumped up so much and I am expecting it to the crypto to slowly drop back down in value. So let's move on to the daily chart. With the next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? I'm expecting some bullish lines here, so we'll see once the chart does load up. So yes guys, we do have the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and so is the orange line as well. It may seem like it is going in a negative direction or in a straight line, but it's not guys. It's looking quite bullish, just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Sandbox over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late March, early April 2023. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting Sandbox to be going about $1.15 to $1.20. Yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment, but if we manage to give it enough time for the next 6 to 8 weeks, considering the dips that's about to take place in between as well, it should be able to hit the $1.10 to $1.15 target over the next 2 months. However, unless there's a major crypto crash or a major bull run or a price pump, these things will have a potential impact on the value of not just Sandbox but the whole crypto market in general. But of course, anything like that, that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Sandbox, especially for the long term. I'm expecting it to slowly gain value, but again, depending on the market conditions. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here to hit $2.10, we're gonna have to go for a little bit of an increase in value, and I am expecting us to hit the resistance target by mid-year this year and potentially head into the green zone towards the second half of the year. We should be trading in the green zone here and potentially even heading even upwards towards the very end of the year. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs and so on. And also guys, things like collaborations, partnerships that Sandbox or any crypto goes through will have a major impact on that specific crypto, and things like this cannot be predicted. We'll only know once it happens. So yeah, there's a lot of different factors that can affect the value of a cryptocurrency, and that is why the crypto market is such a volatile market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on the Sandbox, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below, when are you guys expecting Sandbox to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below. Is it going to be in the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, whatever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also guys, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.